Sound stripe. Sound stripe.
Hello YouTube, it's me, Polly C, and today we're doing another Trax video actually. I picked up this light strip off of Amazon for about $21. I don't know how good it's going to be. I guess near the end of the video, or actually I'll leave links in my description on these if I can find better ones. For $21 I thought I couldn't go wrong. I don't know how it's going to perform or how long it's going to last, so like I say, I'll leave links to all different types of these, but this is the best deal I found, so we're going to check it out. You can see it's got a tester, some adhesive promoter, so you're going to like rub this along where you're going to stick it. This one I don't, that's another thing, I can't remember how long this was. I'll leave the description. I hope it's good. Yeah, so it looks like it doesn't cover the whole area, but it's going to cover up to the lights anyways. Or just around. All right, just for a warning, the fuse taps that they did send are the larger ones, the mini ones. The Trax uses the super mini ones. I actually went to the store and got one, so we have to use that instead. So that's just a little warning when you're buying these things. Make sure, because I didn't, make sure you know which fuse tap goes in there. If not, they don't cost that much. You can get a set at your local Walmart or Canadian Tire, wherever you shop. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is check out your fuse locations. I found that in this car, empty ones that are in here do work. So you can use anything here. Let's see this. See, like this one comes on with the car, or without the car on. The ones below it don't. All right, so I got the car on. It seemed that those ones on the other side didn't work. So forget about that. We're gonna go right here, which is, okay, so I've decided to go with F34. Those two do work with the car on. You can see that. So I'll probably use either one of these. We'll determine that. And it's F34, let's see. So you're not going to put it in F34. That's the one that's being used. That's like some engine crank there. It's 10 amp. Yeah, it's a 10 amp. So we're going to use, yeah, either one of these. So let's get that going. All right, so I've just determined that with the car off, it doesn't come on. But if we put the auxiliary on here, so we'll get the auxiliary on power on. Where did I put that negative? They're so small, these things. Yeah, so there we go. And she works. So all we have to do now is clean it up a bit, put the adhesive remover on, and let it sit. All right, guys, just for a fuse recap, you can see where I put the connector right there. It's in F36, which is empty. F35 is above it, and then F34, which is an ESCL engine crank, I believe. I'm going to leave a picture of the of this whole fuse box in the video. You can see F36 right there, not used, and the 10 amp that I'm talking about. And that's pretty much the fuse setup that I got for this.
Sound stripe.
Alright guys, so for a recap, this is how I have mine installed. As you can see, it just sits just below that gasket. Just gotta play around with it just to make sure everything's straight. And I pretty much got it right at the lip, so it hangs over just a bit. And you can see I did screw up on this, so it is double-sided. If you screw up, you're gonna have to run the wires across the other side, and that's what I did. That's pretty much that. Alright guys, here's a nice look of it in the daytime after I adjusted the LEDs. So we're gonna start it up. Okay, so you can see them pretty good for the daytime. Nighttime's even better. And people really notice this when you're starting it up in the morning or showing people at work. All right, here we have a night shot of the LED hood lights with the hood open. Yeah, they're very bright. Next, we're going to do a startup. Okay, we're going to do a startup now. So I'm going to do the lock. And there you go. Alright guys, if you like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And don't forget to check out my Facebook page and my Buy Me a Coffee. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one and stay safe.